Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Yes, it's ring DIY time. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little piggy. Isn't he adorable? Come on, let's take a look and see how he's made. To begin with, we're going to need a ring and some polymer clay. So I'm going to just take some out. Maybe use your squishing surface, soften it. The piggies are really easy to make. So soften it. And then slowly, so I made it into a ball and then slowly flattened it until I've got a shape that I like. Now, this is a very light colour, so you can already see it's picking up all kinds of fuzz. So do be careful with, having clean hands and a clean surface so that it stays nice and super clean and lovely. And then squish it onto the back of your ring. And shape it round. You'll glue it on later, but this just gives it a little bit of extra positioning. Now time for some ears and some a nose. Now I just coloured some, I added a bit of red earlier on. I need to have 3 pieces out of this. I might have to make some more actually. Let's see, I think I'll make 2 pieces. Let me get some more and mix a bit more. So I'm just going to get a little bit more pink and red, and all you do, not too much red, is you mix it all together. Now mix it all up together because then you'll get a nice even colour for all of the ears and the nose. I think I now have enough for the ears. Let's see, ears and nose. 1 ear, so divide it into 3 equal parts. And the ears, slightly smaller nose. So for the nose, I'm just going to make another ball, squish it, shape it, and stick it on. And then the ears. In fact, I have that bit smaller. Get a toothpick or something small and pointy. I'm just going to use these scissors. And then make the ears. Basically flatten it, squeeze it. Make 2 the same, flatten it, squeeze it, and place. There we go. It's looking so cute already. Now, time to put this in the oven. I'm going to put it in at 130 degrees for 15 minutes. So don't make the oven too hot and don't leave them in too long, otherwise it will burn. And then we'll come back and add the details. So our little piggy is dry. I'm going to now add the eyes. I think I should probably add the cheeks first because my toothpick will get dirty, but I don't know. We'll just do it one way or another. Little eyes. Toothpicks are really good for painting. Get nice detail. Okay, that'll do. Get your toothpick cleaned. And then we're going to use some pink cheeks. I hope this is enough contrast that you can actually see these pink cheeks. Otherwise I'll go and get a red. But let's try with this first. I think that's cute. I'm happy. And we're going to let that dry. Add a little bit of sparkle to the eye. And then we're going to put some varnish over it as well as glue it to the ring. Okay, now I'm going to use some super strong glue. I'm using Gem Tack, I think E1000 is it in America? That's quite strong. I'm going to put lots and lots of this glue on here. This is super strong and it does help keep the ring in place. So just position it into your little gaps, squish it in. I'm going to just add a lot more on the top, and then this just has to dry fully, and then we just need to varnish it. Probably going to take an hour or so to dry. Okay, literally the last little bit is I'm going to use some varnish. This is Fimo varnish. I'm not quite sure what other varnish to use. It's the one I've got. It's any varnish, I guess, that's sort of waterproof. Gives it that nice, neat finish. And once it's varnished, let it dry and your ring is ready for wearing. And there you go, your ring is finished. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, I'd love to see you again soon. Keep watching. Bye!